Welcome back, y'all, to Walmart Wednesday. I got a deal for y'all. I hope that you will be able to score these and get to your Walmart. So, this is 2 shopping trips in 2 days. So, let's get started. These 2 giant ones, these are really tall and heavy. These were 97 cents a piece. So I got these 2. And then I also got 2 other glasses, but y'all will see that in an upcoming tablescape. Next, when I was rolling through on the buggy in the glassware section, they had these pretty bowls. Side is clear. And they marked these down to 75 cents, y'all. 75 cents. So I got 2 in the pink. And then they had this beautiful, like a teal bluish color. Different print. And these were 75 cents, and I got 2 of them. So as I was looking at those, they had the plates. I got 2, the pink ones. You can probably see that color better. And these were 50 cents a plate. 50 cents. So as you see, look how pretty that is for $1.25. 75 cents for the bowl and 50 cents for the plate. But you know I didn't stop there. So let me move that over here. They had the pretty teal, 50 cents. You can't even get plates at the Dollar Tree for 50 cents. Then once again, it goes with that setting. Okay. So within this shopping trip, I'm just going to show you what I got the first night. So within that shopping trip, y'all, I found this beautiful white pitcher. And you're not going to believe how much it was. I don't even think it has the original price on it. Clearance, $7. How deep it is. This is going to be beautiful with some ice water sitting on your table. You know, lemonade, iced tea for the summer. Oh my goodness. Even if it's just me to enjoy it, I'm going to enjoy it with my beautiful dishes that I picked up. Okay. So I was sitting here, and I was the next day, which is Sunday now, because I went Saturday night. So I said, for 50 cents a plate, let me go back over there and see what else they made a mark down. Child, they marked the gray ones down. Yesterday, these were $1 or $1.98. When I went back today, they were 50 cents. So I got 2 grays. And I got 2 gray bowls. Now these were 50 cents because it's the solid ones. So these were 50 cents as well. Compared to the ones that had the print, these were 75 cents yesterday. And then I looked at these and I said, these are not that real plate. They're the melamine, but they're heavy. And I got that pretty blue and white. So I got 2 of these, and these were $1. I need to go back and get 2 more. That way I can do a 4 tablescape with these. But $1. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And my last find, I was picking up some other stuff, and I happened to go down the housewares section, and I came across, let me see if I can lift it for you. Bam! 12-piece pink dining ware set. Now, in the regular section where these are at, on the bottom shelf, it has $9 tags and it has $5 tags. But all the ones that were $5, of course, was gone. So somebody must have put this in their buggy and laid it down in a whole nother section of Walmart. And guess who came across it? Your girl. So that was a great, great find. Now I opened it up just to show you 2 pieces. This is the salad bowl that it comes with in pink. And then this is like the bread or, you know, your salad plate. And these are from Mainstay. All these dishes are from Mainstays. That's the Walmart brand. And then when I got home, I realized that the pink that I scored the day before is the identical. If I wanted to do all 3, you know, all 3 colors, which of course, you know, I'll be matching this dinnerware set. So because it comes with a 4-piece plates, I now have 6. I don't have the 6 bowls or the 6 saucers, but like I always tell you, everything does not have to be matching. Blend up your items so you don't clash all with the same color. Okay. And then lastly, I found this is the section that I was in the housewares. I found my Eiffel Tower. And this was like $12.74. They only had one left because I had did a search for this. So you'll see this in an upcoming tablescape. And right where this was at is where I found the dishes. And I am so glad that I had, you know, captured a picture on my phone to remind me when I got into Walmart to make sure that this is what I went into Walmart to get, but I ended up getting all this other stuff. But I had, you know, set a reminder on my phone so when I was in the store, I made sure that I had picked this up. And then while I was in that aisle, those plates were right next to it. For $5 those plates were, and these were $12.74. So you'll be seeing an upcoming tablescape, or if that tablescape has already came, you'll know where I picked it up at. And also remember, if you're new and just coming by, checking out my channel, my name is Kelly, Kel for short. And on my channel, I do fabulous DIYs from the Dollar Tree, beautiful tablescapes. I have a Dollar Tree Tuesday series, and occasionally you'll get a Walmart series, and every 2 weeks, a Thursday, Thrift Store Thursday series. So if this is something that you think that you would be interested in watching, make sure to hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below and let me know that you just joined my family. So, like I always say, if it ain't cheap, Kel's not buying it. Y'all stay blessed until the next Walmart Wednesday video.